physical properties of ethers. So what are the physical properties of ethers? Physical properties of ethers. First one, COC, bond angle is 180 degree. Second, dipole moment of COC, that is ether, does not cancel with each other. So it has small dipole moment. Diethyl ether contains 1.18 dy. Diethyl ether contains 1.18 dy. It does not cancel with each other because the lone pair of electron that can be repels the molecule toward downward side, which does not cancels the molecules to the opposite side containing atoms. Next to this, boiling point of ethers is slightly higher than the alkanes. So boiling point of ether is slightly higher than alkane because it contains electronegative oxygen atom. And the second one, but it lower than the alcohol molecule because alcohol is responsible to show hydrogen bonding with the other molecules. See, this type of hydrogen bonding can be obtained in case of alcohols, ROH, but in case of ether, CH3O or ROR cannot show easily hydrogen bonding with the other molecules. So alcohols contains higher melting point and boiling point than the ethers with the comparatively molecular mass. This question may be asked, why ethers having lower melting point and boiling point than the alcohols? Because hydrogen bonding is the case. Next, chemical properties of ethers. So what are the chemical properties of ethers? First reaction with hydrogen halide. Hydrogen halide are hydrogen iodide, hydrogen bromide, and hydrogen chloride, called as haloacids, in which hydrogen iodide shows higher reactivity than bromide than chloride because Hi is the larger in size or weak bond presence in the molecule due to the less electronegativity of iodine atom. So we will discuss reaction when ROR ethers reacted with cold HI or hot HI. That is, cold HX or hot HX will give two different types of reactions. This reaction is very important. Maximally comes in examinations. So when this molecule react with the cold HI, so we will get alcohol and alkyl halide as a product. But what is the condition to formation of alcohol? The R, which contains maximum carbon. If there are two different alkyl halide, then when R contains a maximum alkyl group, that forms alcohol, while lower carbon containing side forms alkyl halide. And here at hot temperature alcohols are not stable because alcohols contains lower melting point and boiling point. So hot HX gives both the alkyl halide as a product. See the examples: CH3O C2H for you, CH3O C2H for you reacted with cold HI. So what is the condition? One we have to form alcohol and one we have to form alkyl halide. But which is form alcohol? The maximum carbon. See here only one carbon, here two carbon. So this side contains alcohol and remaining part will be form alkyl halide. But hot temperature both the alkyl halides are formed. We will see one more examples. So when anisole reacted with hot HX or hot HI. So what will we give? Maximum carbon means this part that will form hydroxide part, and CH3I gives as another product with iodine because this 6 carbon side contains an hydroxide part. When any compound of ether reacted with HX, hot, sorry, this is not hot, this is cold HX. Hot HX both with the form alkyl halide. See the examples of anisole. When anisole reacted with cold HI, so what will we give? We will give phenol as a product and methyl iodide as a product because maximum carbon containing this phenyl ring forms an hydroxide part, while lower member contains form alkyl halide part. Hydrolysis reaction. So hydrolysis reaction is breaking of water molecule or hydrolysis reaction. Second, when ether reacted with water molecule, it forms two molecules of alcohol called as hydrolysis reaction. So in presence of H2SO4. See example, when dimethyl ether CH3OCS reacted with water in presence of dilute H2SO4. So what will be formed? Forms 2 moles of methanol. Ethyl methyl ethers CH3OC2H5 react with water molecules. What it forms? One molecule of ethanol, and the second one methanol molecule. So it gives two different types of products. Next, electrophilic substitution reactions of aromatic ethers. So what is the electrophilic substitution reactions? When any electrophilic substitution reaction is any aromatic compound reacted with other molecules, it gives electrophilic substitution type of reactions because it is electron rich species. So how the reaction proceeds? See one by one. It shows ortho-para directing type of reactions. When anisole reacted with any compound, it gives ortho-para type of products. Why it gives ortho-para types of product? Because when you are observing resonance effect of anisole, so what we are getting? Electron donating resonance effect, means plus R effect will be observed. The negative charge is delocalized at ortho position, at para position and ortho position. So electron density is greater at ortho para positions. So we will get ortho para substituted type of product in these reactions. First reaction, halogenation reaction. So what is halogenation reaction? Any halogen reacted with anisole, you will get ortho halo and para halo product. Bromine in presence of acetic acid, you will get ortho bromo anisole or 2-bromoanisole, ortho-bromoanisole or 2-bromoanisole as a product. So what is the name of molecule? 2-bromoanisole. Here 4-bromoanisole. Second reaction, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Any alkyl halide reacted with AlCl3 in presence of anisole. So what will we get? 2-methyl anisole and 4-methyl anisole. So it is 2-methyl anisole, here 4-methyl anisole. You can write ortho-methyl anisole or para-methyl anisole. Next is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Here Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. So what is Friedel-Crafts acylation? Acyl halide reacted with AlCl3 in presence of anisole, you will get ortho-methoxyacetophenone. So what is the name of this compound? This is called as acetophenone. Benzene containing COCH3 called as acetophenone. So it is 2-methoxyacetophenone and here 4-methoxyacetophenone. Same with the nitrogen. So it is ortho-nitroanisole, here para-nitroanisole. Ortho-nitroanisole, here para-nitroanisole. In all the reactions, para products are major product. Para products are major product. Para products are major product because this is major, this is minor. Same with this. All are majors. Here, all are major. This is minor because para containing electronegative group. All the molecules contain electronegative group at para positions. So electronegative group apart from each other. So OCH3 and B are apart from each other. So there is no electronic crowding. There is no electronic statical hindrance. Here the electronegative group comes closer to create statical hindrance to the molecule. That gives instability towards the molecule. So it decreases stability. So para products are major product in these reactions.